Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to go through my top 5 lead management softwares and we'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these products and then we'll compare pricing plans and find out which one is best, at least from my point of view. So let's start it with ZOHO. ZOHO CRM helps businesses of all sizes in maintaining a high standard of customer relations with its features software. The multi-channel supports features lets you reach your customers via any medium, be it phone, live chat, email, or through social media. With visitor tracking and email analytics, you can see what your customers are seeing and find opportunities for interaction. With pre-built and customizable KPIs, you can see where your team excels and where they need more training. ZOHO CRM's blueprint ensures that the same level of attention is given to the right customers. Even if the sales team grows, it makes sure that everyone in the team follows the right process. So as I said before, it's made for all kinds of businesses, small, medium, large enterprises, and also freelancers. They are providing one of the best 24/7 live support, and you will be very much satisfied. They are offering a free trial and also freemium, and then you are going through subscription. You can go free or with standard version, professional version, enterprise, or ultimate, which unlocks all the features. Also, you can be billed monthly or yearly, but obviously yearly you are going to save up more and more money. So next one is Salesforce. Salesforce is a futuristic customer relationship management software, bringing companies and their customers together. The integrated software helps departments like commerce, marketing, sales, and service to get a unified view of each client. Moreover, companies can also leverage on the particular to deliver amazing shopping experiences to individual buyers, automate time-consuming jobs, assure quick resolution to queries raised from the customers front, and strategize personalized marketing schemes. The solution serves organizations scattered across industries like retail, automotive, higher education, public sector, media, communication, hospitality and transportation, non-profit, and more. With Salesforce, organizations get the advantage of joining more than 150,000 and more like-minded companies, where they can find a massive community of experts ready to help in their company's growth, besides offering an estimate of their return on investment. Lastly, AI technology-equipped chatbot within the software helps companies reassess past interactions with individual clients and better understand raised queries. They are made for all the companies, even freelancers, and they are providing very nice support as well. When we are going to check the pricing, we have to go and actually go to product pricing, and you will see a couple of options in which you are interested in. If you are small business, sales and service, let's go for small business, for example. And here you see all the options. As I said, Salesforce is huge. It's one of the biggest companies or biggest players on the market. So you can really get what you're looking for in Salesforce. Number 3 is QuickBase. QuickBase software is a citizen development platform to manage workflows of your business. QuickBase is a low-code development platform. Lets you collaborate with your team in real time, connecting your data, systems, and people. Visualize the workflows across your apps with third-party tools and pre-built interaction channels or leverage. The software offers a secured and regulatory compliance program to meet several industry standards. Small, medium, and large companies make use of the software. As I said before, it's made for all kinds of businesses, small, medium, and large, and also freelancers. Among all those 5, this one gives the best support. If you need anything, they will help you with it. When we're going to check pricing, it's a little bit harder to click on, so let's try to go down and do it like this. Every single one of these pricing options is custom. So if your team, if it's a business or enterprise, you need to get a quotation from them. So I strongly recommend starting with a free trial and first of all find out if the QuickBase is the one for you, and then decide if you want to proceed to get a quotation or not. Next one is Apptivo. Apptivo help desk software can be run on several platforms like Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, etc. The software is available as cloud-based one and also in SaaS form. Helpdesk features include the automated routing, SLA or contract management, knowledge base management, and also ticket management. The tool further includes data level access restrictions and email templates. You can create custom views and edit fields. Share section across app due to the software being highly customizable. Apptivo helpdesk software facilitates resolving tickets faster and on a consistent basis. You can also set strategies to auto-convert customer emails to ticket to ensure no tickets are missed. Yet again, great support. You can install it in Windows and Mac, basically everywhere. When we are going to check the pricing, you see it's not a killer. And also have light option, premium, ultimate, and also enterprise. They are very nice. Get in touch. Also, you see it's $8 per a month per user billed annually, or 12, 20, or if you're enterprise and you really need something special, you can still get a quotation. Also, if you just want to try the ultimate package, for example, it's $25 a month per user. So it's actually not a lot of money and you can still get around with it. And the last one, in my opinion, best for basically startups, is Really Simple Systems. And the Really Simple Systems is a simple CRM software, which is ideal for growing teams, for working for B2B. One can build long-lasting relationship, make more sales and save time with the software. This is a powerful small business CRM system, which helps users work smarter. It provides everything that the user needs to execute sales and marketing all at one central place. In the case of sales, one can use this essential CRM tool to manage customers and prospects by keeping track of the transactions. Under marketing, everything that is required to manage the marketing campaigns and activities can be executed well with the help of the CRM tool. The software also assures to deliver great customer service by making sure all support requests are handled efficiently and without missing out on any information. There are more than 3,000 and more businesses that choose to work on the software, as it helps one build great relationships and caters to business growth efficiently. You can run it on mobile and Android and iOS. Support is during the business hours, so as per usual, and made for all kind of businesses, but preferably the smaller ones or the startups. You can go with a free trial or even freemium, then starter one, professional or enterprise. You can see that it's not that expensive. And I strongly recommend you to basically try out every single one of them during the free period that they are offering. It's 7, 14 or 30 days, and find out which one works the best for you. In my opinion, the QuickBase is a really, really nice one. Also Salesforce, but if you're really, really great and a huge company, you see that they can do everything for you, everything in one roof. That's the Salesforce. But if you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video. We'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.